Hello, this is Akshita Chintareddy. Today, I would like to present a topic on using natural languages and program abstractions to instill human inductive biases in machines. In this work, we show the languages and programs can be used as repositories of abstract prior knowledge, biases of human that one can co-train with to elicit human-like biases in other related tasks. The specific domain we use here is a meta-reinforcement learning task, where the agent sequentially reveals patterns on 2D binary grids. We find that guiding meta reinforcement learning agents with representations from languages and program not only increases performance on task distribution humans adapted, but also decrease performance on control task distributions where humans perform poorly. In this figure, there are two grids. One is illustrated from humans, and the other is generated by machine learning algorithm. The grids are used to input to the meta reinforcement learning tasks, where the agent was sequentially reveal patterns on 2D binary grids can lead to artificial agents with human-like generalization capabilities. In the in this, our goal is to examine differences in how human-like behavior of an agent is elicited by different training objectives. To do this, we first need to distribute the reflects human inductive biases, and so that human-like behavior is distinguishable. Listing human prior using Gibbs sampling. A dataset of human prior expectations on 2D binary grids were collected using Gibbs. Participants predict that the color of a masked square in the grid based on the colors of other squares, and the 500 most probable boards were selected for further analysis, including collecting data, language, and program data. Constructing a matched control distribution. Here, the researchers create a control distribution of the board that matches the statistics of the Gibbs board, but not produced by human decisions. These give the 99% accuracy. These are used a fully connected neural network to encode the conditional distribution of the GSP board. Here in the diagram, picture, the agent objective is to uncover a few white lines as possible while symmetrically unveiling all the red tiles to disclose a picture on the 2D grid. Here, the performance of the human and the artificial agents on sampling produced by humans are opposite to machines, and here the lower is better because the performance metrics is based on amount of white tiles that are revealed. In the task we it involves an agent starting with a mostly masked out board with one revealing red tile, and the goal is to reveal all the red tiles while minimizing the white tiles. The evaluation metric used to track performance in the task is to number of white tiles revealed by the agent while revealing all the red tiles, which performance measured in form of nearest neighbor heuristic, which is selecting the tile which is nearest adjacent, and that is measured by z score. Here, if z score is 0, that indicates that the agent performed better than the mean performance of the nearest neighbor heuristic. And the natural language representation is a description of 500 GSPs of a group of participants, each representing 25 words, is response to a prompt, and they are all generated synthetic descriptions using a template and permitting the order of the reptile location to mimic human descriptions. And also in here in the program representation, in the first, this is the picture and representing the example differences between the grids of human and the machines generated grids. And here in the first phase, the encoder uses a recognition model consisting of a convolutional layer and a fully connected layer to generate like program solutions of a for a given board. The final layer of the recognition model is used to create a dense vector representation of the board similar to natural language embedding. Using the library learning sleep phase, Dreamcoder adds library functions based on reused components of successful programs to minimize the description length of the program library and successful programs, hereby enabling better program search in future wake cycles. And the grouping agents in language and program representations and auxiliary laws improved performance selection in human generated tasks, as this makes the agent more human like but reducing performance on machine generated tasks. The grouping on library learning programs lead to a significant human like inductive bias, and the level of abstraction of the task embedding influenced the extent to which the agent acquires this basis. And coming to conclusion, the language description and the program abstraction can act as repositories for human inductive bias that can be distinct into artificial neural networks and demonstrate the training artificial agents on representing from languages or program induction results in learning human inductive biases, allowing the agents to perform tasks more simpler to humans. Thank you.